What's going on, NFT family? In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to turn your photo or your artwork into NFT, and by the end of this video I'm also going to be showing you how you can sell them fast without any initial gas fee. So if you are so much interested in this video, then stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to be showing you one of the best tips to create the best NFT. So without further ado, let's dive in. Alright, this is the part 2 of the video I uploaded this week about how you can turn your photo or your artwork into NFT and also sell them on OpenSea without any initial gas fee. So I'm going to be walking you through how you can turn this photo right here into an NFT. So if you haven't watched my previous video on how I explain how I bring this photo right here and also explain some of the frame that you have to know, so make sure you check the link in the video description to the video. But for those that are already continue about this tutorial, so let's dive in. So right now, as you can see, we have this photo right here. So we want to turn it into NFT design, and now I discover another effect which is very awesome to create a very dramatic NFT. So let me show you guys. So now you want to come to this effect right here. Alright, quick info. This video is brought to you by Standard Club NFT, the #1 NFT project on OpenSea with transparent floor price. This is a utility NFT for the future that pay more attention to increase the value of the NFT over time, which is an important factor to make any NFT collection to be more unique, different, to bring in more investors and also motivate holders. This NFT is key to membership and unlockable content, and also a lot more benefits coming from this NFT. So if you are looking for any unique NFT project to lay your hand on, which will definitely increase in value over time, then check out Standard Club NFT. I put a link to it in the video description. So without further ado, let's dive in. Alright, so the effect we're gonna be using is called this sketchy. You call it sketchy under the magic. So you want to click on this and it's gonna be turning your photo into a dramatic aesthetic NFT. As you can see right now, this look very dramatic. So what you have to do is to click on save right now and save it as PNG to get the high quality of your NFT. We want to click on save right here. Alright, this I've saved. So let's open up the OpenSea and let's sell this NFT. Alright, so now we're on OpenSea. I'm gonna click on create because we want to click our items. So I'm gonna click on this to bring in the NFT we just created, which is this. As you can see, I'm gonna be naming it the guy on iPhone 12. Let me just say 002. That's second. Then I'm gonna put all the description. I have video I explain all of this, so you guys can check link in the video description. So now you want to come to Ethereum and change this to Polygon, which will allow you to mint your NFT without any gas fee. Then you want to click on create. Alright, as you can see, this has also been minted, as you can see right now. So all I have to do is just to click on this and sell this this NFT at, let me just say, I'm gonna be selling this at 0.003. So you want to set your price right here. I'm gonna sell it 0.003 right here. I'm gonna be selling it at 0.03, and the quantity, which is 1, I'm gonna sell 1 of it. Then I'm gonna be clicking on list. Alright, as you can see, this has been listed on OpenSea for sale, so I'm gonna be making sale for this. So now we come to the end of this video. If you gain value out of this, hit the like button, subscribe so you can get more update about useful content just like this. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, bye for now. Any question or make requests about tutorial or type of video content you want to see on my channel, you can just jump down to my Instagram and